सबसे पहले तो आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं।
थैंक यू।
आपके लिए पिछले साल हमने देखा जितने भी अवार्ड हुए वो आपके नाम पे। इस बार क्या उम्मीदें हम आपसे रख सकते हैं? कितने एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपको?
मैं एक्सपेक्टेशन कभी रखती ही नहीं हूँ, वेदर इट वाज लास्ट ईयर वेदर इट वाज दिस ईयर। आई थिंक मैं अवार्ड्स इसलिए अटेंड करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मज़ा आता है, कोलीग्स को मिलने का मौका मिलता है और परफॉर्मेंसेस को देखने का मौका मिलता है. सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ फन नाइट. Awards are really secondary for me.
How was your experience, like going for meeting Roger Federer and all of that?
I think so different from what we do, being on a film set every day, interacting with actors all the time, or people from within the fraternity, and the fact that I've been an athlete before, a professional athlete before, I think I felt comfortable, I felt at home, and I really had a good time. I think it was nice to do something different.
On a serious note, Deepika, 2 years of the Nirbhaya case is going to be coming up. Last week also we saw another case in Delhi. Do you think the situation of women just continues to remain the same in India?
I don't think it's the right platform for me to comment on that, but I think a step towards progress is awareness itself, and I think we've definitely managed to do that. I think our legal systems, I mean, everyone's going to have a point of view. I think my point of view is that I think the people who commit a crime get away very easily, and maybe stricter laws, education. There's too many things, But I think, like I said earlier, I think it starts with awareness, and I think we're getting there.
This year we saw a lot of TV guys venturing into films. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? What makes them different from the debutants which come on screen?
I think with television you get a lot of exposure. They're already, they already have a sense of fan following and popularity, and I think more the merrier. We're only more than happy to welcome, a lot more talent. You got major award.
We got best Jodi, Ranveer Singh and me.
Not you and me.
हमको तो नॉमिनेट भी नहीं किया. Now the matter will change the rule. The government should change the rule now. After Ranveer and me have won best Jodi, just by that.
I'm very disappointed.
I'm doing the red carpet ulta.
Good. And you're getting out.
You were saying something about TV.
No, so I said more the merrier. That's it.
New Year wish to everyone.
और क्या
Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you.